Good morning, children. Welcome to Foundation Stage 1 UW lesson. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Our learning objective for today is learners will review about 5 senses. So today we are going to review about 5 senses. Do you all remember what are the 5 senses? Let's see what's our outcome for the lesson. Our learning outcomes are learners will be able to understand that what are our 5 senses? How do our 5 senses help us to explore world around us and name parts of body used for each sense? So as I said, we are going to talk about our 5 senses. Let's see what are our 5 senses. These are our 5 senses. These are sense of taste, we taste with our tongue. Sense of smell, we smell with our nose. Very good. What about sense of hearing? What do we use, children? Yes, we hear with our ears and we see with our eyes. Most of the times we touch with our hands. We see with our eyes. Can you tell me, children, how many eyes we have? Count with me, come on. One, two. We have 2 eyes. Now, let's see what we can see with our eyes. Can you look around and see what all things you see? Hmm, Let me show you some things that we can see. So now we are going to see some things which we can see around us. Now look at this picture. Have you ever seen this? Yes, we have seen a puppy, a flower, a balloon, a banana, right? And when we see things, we can know the size, the shape, the color of these things, right? Because we can see with our eyes. Okay, now we are going to talk about sense of touch. We touch with our hands most of the time. What can we touch? Let's see. Hmm. Look at this picture. How many things you can see here? Can we count? One, two, three, four, five. And when we touch these things, we feel differently. For example, when we touch the bear, we feel soft, right? And what about these nails? It is sharp. When we touch, we feel the sharpness in our hands. And what about the hammer? They are very hard. And what about this ice cube? How you will feel when you touch the ice cube? Yes, we feel cold. And what about the tea kettle? How do we feel, children? Yes, it is super hot. The steam is super hot, which is coming out of the spout, right? Now, which part we are going to talk about now? Can you tell me? Yes, we are going to talk about our tongue. We taste with our tongue, right? We can taste things like ice cream, which is sweet, a cup of hot coffee, right? That is all again sweet. Then there is egg and there is sausage. They are salty, and there is strawberry. Sometimes it is sour and sometimes it is sweet, right? Some strawberries are sweet and some are sour, tangy taste. So that's ice cream. Can you name them with me? Come on, ice cream. Then that's strawberry, right? And that's coffee, k, k, coffee, and that is our egg, eh, egg, and sausage, again. Now, look at these things. We have around 8 things here in this picture. Can you point to the things you can taste? Look at this picture. Can we name the first one? Yes, there is a cone-shaped carrot, and there is a watermelon, flag, butterfly, then there is onion, and there is flower, and there is ice candy, and there is our lunch, right? Like lunch, or maybe you can say breakfast with eggs and something. So now, can you point to the things which you can eat? Very good. We can eat the carrot. What about the next one? Yes, wonderful. We can taste watermelon and then we can taste our egg and sausage and also we can taste the ice candy. What about next one? Can we taste the flour? No, we cannot taste the flour. We can taste onions. Yes, we put it in the curry, right? Now we are going to talk about sense of smell. Which part do we use, children? Can you tell me what is this part you see in this picture? Yes, you're right. This is our nose. Can you all point to your nose? Yes, we have one nose, right? Small one. We can smell these things. Let's talk about that. Here is a car, but do you see this smoke coming behind from the car? We can smell that smoke, right? And the flower we can smell. We can smell the coffee and the perfume. Now, you need to point to the things which you can smell. Now, look at these things. Think, think, think. Which things we can smell? Very good. We can smell the perfume. We can smell the coffee and the donuts. We can smell the smoke from the car, and of course, we can smell the flower over here, right? Very good. Now, let's see what is there. Next slide. This is our ear. We have how many ears? Very good. We have 2 ears. Now, let me ask you, what do we do with our ears, children? Yes, you're right. We hear with our ears. We can hear so many things around us. Now, here are some examples. We can hear the alarm clock, we can hear music, we can hear cows moving, dogs barking, right? Now it's reflection time. Now, can you tell me, children, look at this boy, what he's using, which sense is this? Related to this picture, which sense he is using now? Can you tell me? Yes, he is using his sense of taste and he is using his tongue, right? Which sense he is using? Look at this boy, he is using one sense. Yes, you're right, he is using sense of smell. Which sense he is using now? Look at his hands, he has binoculars. So which sense he needs to use if he is using binoculars? Yes, he is using his sense of sight. Okay, children, have a good day. Bye bye. See you next time.